Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Box's YouTube channel, where we do unboxing, reviews and project demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Iiyama G Master Red Eagle GB3461WQSU-B1 monitor. The monitor was unbelievably easy to set up. There was no messing around with different screws, as there was just one screw at the bottom which is made to turn by hand, so this monitor was up and running within just a couple of minutes. The design is really beautiful. The thin frame and bezel is kept minimalist and simple, so whether it's your gaming room or home office, this monitor will fit in really well. The 34-inch ultra-wide Quad HD screen has an aspect ratio of 21:9, making this monitor really excellent for creating crisp visuals and a fully immersive gaming experience. The Iiyama also has an ergonomic stand that allows you to adjust the height, tilt, swivel and even rotate so that you can always find an angle that's the most comfortable for you. Although it is worth mentioning that the pivot function is not fully enabled due to the stand. However, if you did decide to mount the monitor on the wall or on an arm stand, you'd be able to use this function. If you'd rather not use the stand, it is also Visa mount compatible, so can also be wall mounted. In terms of connectivity, this Iiyama has 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, 2 USB ports and a headphone jack, so it's compatible with a variety of hardware. And its buttons are easy to find but also nicely tucked away at the back. It also has 2 built-in 5-watt speakers which can reach quite loud volumes, which is a lovely addition to the monitor. This monitor has an impressive refresh rate of 144Hz and with a 1 millisecond response time, it ensures fluid and accurate transition between images, superb image quality and a realistic viewing experience. And it also has FreeSync technology to reduce stuttering or tearing, which helps you perform at your very best. This monitor also supports HDR content with beautiful colour and luminance, making it excellent for content creation or media streaming. Its IPS panel covers 100% of the sRGB colour range, giving incredible colour accuracy. So, whether you're creating content or playing a game, you'll be able to see vibrant colours in both light and dark settings. The black tuner allows you to adjust the brightness and dark shades so that the details are always clearly visible, allowing you to spot any enemies lurking in the shadows. This monitor has a variety of predefined gaming modes, including FPS and strategy, so you can easily have the optimum settings for your needs. Or, if these don't suit you, you can even set your own custom settings so that you always have the perfect settings for gameplay. It also has a blue light reducer to help lessen eye strain, so you can feel comfortable even during long gaming sessions without having to worry about the harmful effects of blue light. Overall, this monitor is designed with gamers and creatives in mind. Its refresh rate, response time and HDR allow crisp and vibrant visuals as well as fluid and immersive gameplay. What do you guys think of this monitor? Please make sure to let us know below, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and we'll be happy to get back to you. We've also included the link to buy below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.